Really awesome location, first of all, in the heart of Singapore. Yeah.
This is the first time I come to Garden by the Bay for event. Normally I come for the flowers outside.
No, it's amazing, especially getting together in a room full of people after the pandemic. So it's fantastic to be here, and it's a beautiful venue.
You guys have invited so many different senior leaders like around different industry, and then the sharing they have is really inspiring.
The best thing about a supply chain conference is the diverse perspectives that you get from different industries. Like, I work on consumer hardware, but it was amazing to see what the shoe industry is doing, or what Accenture was talking about, or what Radu was talking about from a hiring perspective. So I think that diverse things that you get to hear, that was super interesting for me.
I was interested about how other companies approach the digital transformation agenda. Now after COVID, how do they progress, making further supply chain as an enabler for growth?
Actually, my company is also going through the transformation journey. So before I came here, I'm looking forward to hear more about the digitalization, the key learning from different companies, how they transform their companies, what the initiative they have launched, and what are the key learning, what are the challenges they face. And so far, it's really good to really hear so much different sharing from them.
It's nice to meet a lot of different specialists in the supply chain field over here and sharing their experience on all the challenges that they had over the past 2 years with COVID.
So I look forward to really meeting different people through the fun events.